Want to earn more and more money? Become a data analyst or data engineer. These roles open doors to incredible earning potential and career growth. Don't miss out! We loaded the iris data set and used some cool plots to make sense of the data. First, we made a pair plot to see how different features, like petal length and width, vary across flower types. It helps us spot patterns visually. Next, we created a heat map to check how strongly these features are related to each other. Dark red means a strong positive link, while dark blue shows a negative one. Finally, we used a KDE plot to see smooth density curves instead of scatter points. It shows where most of the data is concentrated, making it easier to understand the separations between flower species. The takeaway? Petal length and width are key features to identify the flowers. And we've now got some solid visuals to back that up.